Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this web designing series, I will say about some important CSS properties. Suppose guys, if you work on the big project, so that time there will be a tester and tester will raise accessibility issues. So what is accessibility issues? So accessibility issues means someone getting issues to access your site. That is called accessibility issues. Okay, so in this video just I will say about the theme contrast. Okay, so guys, what it is exactly, if you are the beginner, so it will be problem for you, but here I will explain for you as well. Like if you are beginner, you can watch this video, and this is advanced level as well. You can say it advanced CSS. So guys, here first of all I will create one button for showing this thing. Okay, by the way, in your whole website you can face this kind of issues. Okay, but here I will show you a button for example purpose. So now here I will create one button. Okay, and button type is button, and here I will write the button name is click. So I will save, and in the browser I will check it. So button is created, and here I will add some CSS properties. So I will add the button tag here. Okay, and color I will write white color, and background color I will add here red, and I will add in the big size this button one. So I will add padding 20 pixel top and bottom and 40 pixel left and right. Okay, and after that here I will add the font size. Font size is 20 pixel, and font weight, that is bolded. Now I will come here in the browser and refresh. So button is created like that. So here in the button you can see one border. Suppose I want to remove the border here. So what I will do? So here I will write border none, and outline is none, means outline and border will be removed from this button. I mean, in the outside of the button, here is the black color border or outline. You can remove using those two CSS properties. Okay, so now I will refresh. So see, it is removed. So now guys, suppose anyone, it is now normal mode. Okay, suppose anyone are using dark mode, there is some dark mode. Okay, so I will show you how you can change. So you have to come here in the search, and just simply you have to find settings. So you will get this option here. So you have to open this settings. After that, here you have to search. Maybe the interface in your case you will get some different interface, because here I'm using some Windows version. You will be using for the different Windows version, so that time interface may be different. Okay, but here you have to search. You will get the search thing. Okay, so there you have to search theme contrast. Okay, see here like this. Okay, so option name may be also different. In your case it may be theme contrast, but similar like. Okay, you will get the option. So here you can see turn on high contrast. So if I on, see here it is just refresh, it will be refreshed, and it will show the black contrast in our view. See here now it is black and white. Okay, for suppose someone is a little blind like this. Okay, so he is using I mean someone can't see properly. Okay, so that time he is using this color mode, or like at the night time sometime people use this color mode. Okay, so that time see button is not properly visible. Okay, so how you can fix that? That is actually accessibility issues, because here someone cannot access your button because it is not properly visible. So these accessibility issues I will show you how you can fix that. Okay, so that time here you have to come and you have to write some CSS properties. Okay, so this one will be a media query. So now here you have to write media parenthesis forced colors colon active, and here you have to add color. Okay, so this one I'm getting issues button, so I will copy the button tag, and here I will add the border. So border 1 pixel, solid, and the color code white color. If you want to add the background color, it will not be applied, okay, because here you are using dark theme. So here just for visible purpose you have to add the border. So I will save and I will come here and refresh. See, now one border is coming, means people can easily understand this is button. And now guys, I hope it is clear. So now guys, here I will show you some other CSS properties. Suppose you are using Edge browser, okay, so that time how you can fix this. So here you have to write media screen and parenthesis, and here you have to add image hyphen contrast colon active, okay, this one, and inside this you have to paste the same CSS. Active means this is for each thing, okay, I mean here you will get some other options, okay, means those for all the options it will be applicable. Active means, okay, suppose someone using some other mode, so that time also you can add separate, like I first copied and paste here. Just here you have to change, that is black on white, black hyphen on hyphen white, like this way. Another thing, just you have to shuffle this one like white on black. So I will copy and paste here and here black, okay, like this way you can use separately for Edge browser, okay. So this is very important thing. So I hope guys you have understand this properly, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel to get more update and this kind of helpful content.